Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix blurry video footage on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. First of all, you can clean your device's lens, and you should do so using a microfiber cloth. Make sure to use microfiber cloth as it leaves no stains on your camera lens. Carefully wipe the surface of it, and you can instantly check the results on the frontal camera, on the frontal display of your camera. Besides, to improve the sharpness, we can go to video settings. We can increase the resolution, scroll down and increase the sharpness. We can set the sharpness to high value to ensure better details. We can also enable the noise feature. We can also decrease the motion blur by setting it to max blur reduction. And lastly, we can of course adjust the image tuning. We can set it to, for example, sport, which will ensure the better smoothness. And with these settings, also with the Hypersmooth enabled, you'll leave no blurriness on your footage. Now let's try to capture something and let's see how it goes. Now let's check the result. Now let's try to capture something and let's see how it goes. And as you can see right now, there is no blurriness on our footage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.